Welcome to Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world. A city that never sleeps, where the lights shine brighter than the stars, where dreams are made and fortunes can vanish in an instant. Here in the heart of the desert, a world of wonder rises, a stage of luxury, excitement, and endless possibility. This is a place where every night is a festival, where fountains dance to music, where towering resorts transport you to distant worlds, and where the pulse of life never slows. From gamblers chasing luck on the casino floor, to dreamers arriving with eyes full of hope, to travelers from every corner of the globe. All are drawn here by the magic of Las Vegas. This isn't just a city, it's a living spectacle. A glowing oasis in the desert night, a promise of adventure, indulgence, and unforgettable memories. This is Las Vegas, the city of lights, dreams, and endless celebration. Origins of Las Vegas, from desert to city of lights. Once just a dusty desert town in Nevada, Las Vegas transformed into one of the most vibrant cities on Earth. In 1905, it was founded as a railroad stop. By the 1930s, with the construction of the Hoover Dam, workers flocked here, and casinos began to emerge. From humble beginnings, Las Vegas reinvented itself again and again. From a gambling frontier to a global hub of entertainment, luxury, and dreams. The Strip, heart of Las Vegas, the Las Vegas Strip, an endless boulevard of luxury, excitement, and wonder, home to some of the world's most famous resorts. Bellagio, with its dancing fountains, inspired by ancient Rome. Paris, Las Vegas, with its own Eiffel Tower. The Venetian, a little piece of Venice in the desert. The Strip isn't just a street, it's a world in itself. Iconic hotels and casinos. In Las Vegas, every hotel is more than a building. It is a story. A fantasy, a universe within a universe. Take the Luxor, a gleaming black pyramid rising out of the desert, crowned with a beam of light so powerful it can be seen from space. Inside, ancient Egypt is reborn. Hieroglyphs line the walls, statues of pharaohs guard the entrances, and modern luxury fuses with timeless history. Then there's New York, New York. Here, the skyline of Manhattan meets the Nevada desert. The Brooklyn Bridge, the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building, all recreated in dazzling detail. And above it all, a roller coaster twists and turns, giving thrill seekers a ride through the heart of this miniature metropolis. The MGM Grand stands as a giant among giants. With more than 6,000 rooms, it is one of the largest hotels in the world. Its emerald green glow is iconic, and inside, an endless maze of restaurants, theaters, arenas, and a casino floor that never sleeps. Across the Strip, the Wynn and Encore shimmer in elegance. Here, opulence is an art form. Lush gardens, fine art collections, world-class restaurants, and suites designed for ultimate luxury. Every detail speaks of sophistication, turning a stay into an experience. But the magic doesn't end there. The Venetian transports you to Italy, where gondolas glide under painted skies, and the canals of Venice flow through the hotel. Voice for Beads, Paris, Las Vegas, lets you stroll beneath a half-size Eiffel Tower, dine at charming Parisian cafes, and bask in the romance of France without ever leaving Nevada. Caesar's Palace, perhaps the most famous of them all, recreates the grandeur of ancient Rome. Colossal statues, marble columns, and grand arenas make it a palace worthy of emperors. And beyond the themes, the casinos themselves are works of art. Rows of glittering slot machines, the shuffle of cards on velvet tables, the thrill of dice rolling across green felt. Casinos here are not just about winning or losing, they are theaters of imagination. Every spin, every shuffle, every moment is a performance, designed to make you feel alive, suspended in a world of chance and possibility. In Las Vegas, the hotels are not just places to stay. They are destinations, landmarks, and stories in themselves. Each one invites you to step into a different dream, and together, they form the beating heart of the Las Vegas Strip. Entertainment capital, shows and performances. Las Vegas is the stage of dreams. Here, legends perform every night. From Cirque du Soleil's breathtaking acrobatics, to magic shows by world-famous illusionists, to concerts by global icons who make Las Vegas their second home. This is where entertainment lives forever. Nightlife and party vibes. When the sun goes down, the city comes alive. Nightclubs, rooftop lounges, and pool parties make Vegas one of the world's top nightlife destinations. Here, DJs from around the world turn the night into an endless festival. Vegas nights are unforgettable, vibrant, electric, and full of life. Culinary paradise, food of Vegas. Las Vegas is also a paradise for food lovers. From lavish buffets stacked with every cuisine imaginable, to Michelin-star restaurants by celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay, Wolfgang Puck, and Joël Robuchon. Whether you crave fine dining or simple comfort food, Las Vegas has it all. Beyond the Strip, hidden Las Vegas. But Las Vegas isn't only about the Strip. Downtown Las Vegas is where history meets neon. Fremont Street glows with its light show. The Neon Museum preserves vintage Vegas signs. Local art, culture, and community thrive in hidden corners of the city. Beyond the glamour lies a city full of stories. Natural wonders around Las Vegas. Surrounded by desert beauty, Las Vegas is also a gateway to nature. Just a short drive away lies the breathtaking Red Rock Canyon, the engineering marvel of the Hoover Dam, and even day trips to the mighty Grand Canyon. Here, nature and human creation exist side by side. Luxury and lifestyle. Las Vegas isn't just a destination, it's a lifestyle. World-class shopping, luxurious spas, championship golf courses, and experiences designed for indulgence. From exotic car rentals to sky-high helicopter rides over the Strip, Vegas is the ultimate playground for those who seek luxury. Las Vegas is more than a city. It is a dream carved into the desert, a place where imagination takes form, and where the impossible feels possible. It is where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where hotels rise as monuments to fantasy, where fountains dance, lights dazzle, and stories unfold with every passing hour. Las Vegas is not just about casinos or nightlife. It is about wonder, about the spirit of adventure, about stepping into a world where every corner is alive with energy, mystery, and joy. Here, the night sky glows brighter than the stars above. Here, every face carries a story, of fortune found, of dreams pursued, of moments that live forever in memory. Las Vegas is a spectacle, but it is also a feeling, the heartbeat of excitement as the concrete of suffering, the promise of something more, a reminder that magic does exist. Here, in the desert, in the city that never sleeps. This is Las Vegas. The city of lights, the city of dreams, the city where the celebration never ends.